In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can do a strangle on the ThinkOrSwim platform. So to get straight into it, we're going to be using the S&P 500 ETF SPY as an example. Now there's two ways you can do this, and again we'll go through both of the ways that you can do this. So let's say we wanted to go 10 days out expiration. What we do is obviously open that part of the option chain up. And then again, what we can do is manually do it. So if you're on Windows, you press Control and you basically click the put and the call. So let's say we want to do a 420 put and a 422 call. So again, we left click both of those. It will buy the call and a put as a strangle. So what we can do is analyze trade. We can see how this would perform. So you can see your max risk. And you can also see what is your max reward. And again, also in here, you can kind of find your sweet spot. You can adjust it. So let's say you want to actually do a 425 call, a 420 put. You can see that would have reduced the cost by about $100. But obviously that means it will affect your upside or downside potential. So that's firstly how you can do it manually. Another way you can do this is by going into the spread option. And then again, just click strangle. Now this will do it all automatically for you, but you don't get as much freedom on the calls to the puts. So in this case, it's doing a 421 call to a 420 put. So again, what we could do is we can actually click that. Or let's say we want to do a 413 to a 412 just to make it a bit different. Let's say we want to buy that. Again, we can analyze trade. And again, that will show you your upside, downside. Again, you can change it here if you want to actually change that to say a 415 to a 408 or something. And again, you can do all of that, and you can either send it off by doing confirm and send. Again, all you have to do is right click, confirm and send. That will send off your trade for the debit of $11.20. Or you can go down to trade, and again, you can adjust it in here. So again, let's say you want to do 415 and say a 410. It will cost you $932, and then again you can right click confirm and send, or you can go to the bottom right, confirm and send. So that's how you do a strangle on ThinkOrSwim. If you enjoyed the video, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this video here.